For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
8 patients have died after a fire broke out in a COVID-19 specialty hospital in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in the wee hours of 6th August. All the 8 patients, which included 5 men and 3 women, were COVID-19 patients. The patients were being treated at the ICU ward of the hospital. A healthcare worker has also been injured in the incident. 8 coronavirus patients admitted in the ICU ward of the Shrey Hospital have died due to the fire, which has been doused. A healthcare worker was also injured in the fire. According to the police, the fire broke out at around 3:30 am in Shrey Hospital. Several fire tenders were rushed to the spot to douse the flames. The fire was finally brought under control at 4:22 am. The officials have said that the cause of the fire is yet to be determined. The firemen also rescued around 40 other COVID-19 patients at the hospital who were later moved to a civic hospital in the city. Visuals from the site show fire officials carrying rescue operations while family members waited anxiously outside the hospital. Officials also said that around 50 COVID-19 patients were admitted in the hospital, out of which 10 were being treated in the intensive care unit. Several people, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, paid their condolences to the victims. Saddened by the tragic hospital fire in Ahmedabad, condolences to the bereaved families. May the injured recover soon. Spoke to the Chief Minister Vijay Rupani ji and Mayor Bijal Patel ji regarding the situation. The administration is providing all possible assistance to the affected. Deeply anguished by the loss of lives due to a tragic fire accident at a hospital in Ahmedabad. My condolences and thoughts are with the affected families in this hour of grief, praying for the speedy recovery of those injured. The Prime Minister also announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each for the kin of the victims who died in the mishap. Ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each from the Prime Minister National Relief Fund would be given to the next of kin to those who have lost their lives due to the hospital fire in Ahmedabad. Rupees 50,000 each would be given to those injured due to the hospital fire. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani also announced an ex gratia of 4 lakh rupees to the kin of the deceased and 50,000 rupees for the injured. The Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has ordered a probe into the incident. Chief Minister Shri Vijay Bhai Rupani has directed the state government to immediately conduct a thorough investigation into the fire at Shreya Hospital in Navrangpura area of Ahmedabad in 3 days and submit a report to the state government on how the incident took place and those responsible. Sangeeta Singh, Additional Chief Secretary of the Home Department, will be leading the probe. The Chief Minister has ordered a report within 3 days. Gujarat has confirmed over 66,000 COVID-19 cases with more than 2,500 deaths to date.